Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Ups again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to see your profile views on your TikTok account. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now, to see your profile views on your TikTok account, let's open up our TikTok app first. And after you open a TikTok account, the interface will be similar to this one, where you can see the content posted by your friends and the people who you follow. And over here on this interface, on the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on the profile. And after landing on your profile interface, on the top right corner of your screen, just beside the three line icon, there is the eye icon. Tap on that eye icon, and over here you can see your profile views, and you can see people who viewed your people in the past 30 days will appear here only, which means that this is the place where you see your profile views on TikTok. And there, right, this is how you see your profile views on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.